Feel the rhythm? It's Jamaican pride representing for CCN World TV News. It's CCN World TV News.
Right now, one of the biggest conversations in Jamaican YouTube is this: is Colaz Smith still Jamaica's #1 humanitarian YouTuber? And honestly, depending on who you ask, the answers are very different. Some people believe his impact over the years still places him at the top. Others believe Jamaican YouTube is evolving and several creators are now building strong connections with communities too. But what is the criteria to make someone Jamaica's #1 humanitarian YouTuber? Let's get into it. If this is your first time seeing CCN World TV News, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Is it the views, the influence, the consistency, the connection with the people, or the lives they impact? Today, we're going to talk about it. Now, over the past few years, Jamaican YouTube has grown tremendously. What started as simple entertainment and vlogging has slowly turned into something much bigger. Today, creators are influencing community, helping families, inspiring supporters, and of course, building movements around their content. And one name that always enters the humanitarian conversation is Colaz Smith. Whether people agree or disagree, his name continues to come up whenever Jamaican viewers discuss creators making an impact outside of YouTube views. A lot of supporters point to consistency. Over time, viewers have seen communities visited, people assisted, opportunities created, and struggling individuals highlighted publicly through videos. And for many Jamaicans, that visibility matters. Because in Jamaica, people naturally respect when the creators appear connected to ordinary people and real life struggles. At the same time, though, some viewers now believe Jamaican YouTube is becoming more balanced, with multiple creators beginning to build strong humanitarian influence as well. And honestly, that may simply show how much the space is growing. One interesting thing about Jamaican YouTube right now is how emotionally invested viewers have become in creators. People are no longer just watching videos casually. Supporters now follow journeys, growth, friendships, personalities, and community work closely. And because of that, discussions about influence and humanitarian impact have become much bigger conversations online, especially as more creators continue building loyal audiences of their own. And naturally, as the space expands, viewers are going to compare creators more often. But I think what makes this conversation interesting is that different people define humanitarian differently. For some viewers, it's about who helps the most people publicly. And for others, it's about consistency over time. Some focus on influence and leadership. Others focus more on connection with communities and supporters. And honestly, there probably isn't one single answer that everybody will agree on, because everybody experiences creators differently. One thing that's clear though, Jamaican YouTube has become far more powerful than many people expected years ago. Creators now influence conversations, inspire supporters, motivate communities, and shape online culture in Jamaica every single day. And because of that, viewers are paying much closer attention to impact, leadership, and authenticity now, not just entertainment, which is probably why conversations like this continue growing online. So the question really becomes, what truly makes somebody Jamaican's #1 humanitarian YouTuber in your opinion? Is it consistency, influence, community, support, leadership, connection with people, or overall impact? And when you look at Jamaican YouTube today, do you believe Colaz Smith still holds the #1 humanitarian position? Or do you think the space is becoming more open with several creators rising strongly? Let me know your honest thoughts respectfully in the comments. And if you enjoy Jamaican YouTube commentary, creator discussions, and cultural conversations, subscribe to CCN World TV News. See you in the next one.